how to enable or disable force activities to be resizable on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom, and from here, tap on Developer Options. Then we scroll down to the Apps section, and scroll down some more. In here, tap on Force Activities to be resizable. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off this feature. In here it said make all activities resizable for multi-window regardless of manifest values. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.